हाय गाइस। आज अपने पास एक प्रोडक्ट आया है जो है, चलो खोल के ही देखते हैं जो प्रोडक्ट आया है वो मैं आपको क्या बताऊं। सो लेट अस ओपन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम Amazon and I got in a very good price. The price is a secret one, just open it up. Very well packed in bubble wrap. Okay, so I will show you the invoice by the time. So this is the invoice of the product. I got this particular product at a cost of $6.99. Usually it is coming $8.50 or something, but there was some one-day deal. Some option was there, and then I got this particular product in $6.99. So cost is 700 rupees tentatively. This is from Boya Lavalier microphone, micro creative. That is what is written. I don't know whether it is original or not, but there is a QR code here. So I heard from the market that these products are duplicate, these products are original. So I do not have any information about that. If anybody is having more knowledge about whether this particular product is genuine or not, please let me know. Because in my earlier or prior videos, you know that I bought some Realme headphones and I got the duplicate one. I complained Amazon. So I do not expect such a thing or a duplicate products from Amazon. That is what I will request to the management of Amazon whenever they are issuing or adding any vendor in their supply list. Then please ensure that he will give us a genuine product, because we are not looking at the vendor, we are looking at Amazon. So that's okay, that's it. This particular product can be used for mobile, laptop, tablet, DSLRs, and then handycam, everything. So they have written that this particular product can be used for smartphone, camcorder, DSLR, audio records, and PC. This is BYM1. Product is in a somewhat in a very bad condition. I hope it is intact inside, or whatever product I got, that is right one. So let us open it up and see what it is. So first impression is a very good. Inside box there are certain, this is a clip. This is the clip what we got inside. This is very good. They have given one clip only, that's fine, but it is it looks like it is of a very good quality and sturdy one. Then there is a pamphlet about the product guidelines and all, everything. Then we have this warranty card. I need to check. This is one sticker or a qualified certificate. Okay, fine. So we will keep all these things aside, that is not required. They have given us these two stickers. Boya, okay, that is the marketing. The time we will just see what they have given. The specification. The specification is not clear because there is one big sticker here, but whatever we can see, I am just pointing my camera. So if you wish to have the information, you can just go through. There are some frequency details, signal noise, sensitivity, output, accessories. Okay, I didn't find they have written that they have given, there is something more, yes, in the box. So there is a jack. So I like this carry bag, what pouch they have given. It's very good, and the branding has been done in a very good manner. So I like this. This is a very good thing, so you can carry it up. I hope you can use this for, this is I think 6.4. I do not have any information. 1/8 inch, yes, right. So this is used for this can be used for your amplification and all for the bigger machines. Let us open this and check whether the quality looks good. There is no issues at all. But, let's see whether this clip, I hope they have given wrongly. This should not be there. There has to be TRS and TTRS. I don't know. TRS clip and something. Details are not there. Let's see. I will just open and check whether give me a minute. So I just do some research. The product is of good quality. There is no issue at all. This is made up of some aluminum casing it has, and this is the mic. See, this is omnidirectional. This is a omnidirectional mic. We can use it. You can make it unidirectional. That I will teach, or I will show you afterwards, because I did a lot of research and then I came to know that we can create this particular mic. We can use it as a unidirectional, because this is currently acting as a omnidirectional, means it can take all surround sounds, but we will try to use something by that in my next vlog, or I will show you that thing. Right now it is not ready with me. I need to make some arrangement for this, and we will surely try, or we will do some research and we will make it a unidirectional one. So wire length is very good, but only one thing is missing as per their instructions manual. See, they have written the battery is not LR44 battery is not there. Rest everything is there. So I'm going to return this pack and I will get a new one, and then we will see what we can do. But I heard many things about this. This is a very good product, and let's see. Only now noise cancellation is a problem, but that can be sorted. Actually, I will let you know once I do complete my research, and I'm 100% sure that we can use it as a unidirectional one. Okay, fine. So thank you very much. This is the unboxing of the product. After using this particular product, I will let you know whether the product is of a good quality, whether it is original or not. But product seems, by looking at the product, at least I can feel that the product is of a good quality. Rest I don't know. After testing only I will come to know, but I will surely return this particular product to the supplier, because the sale is missing in this. And thank you very much.